Hey, what's up AMP coin holders? What's going on this time, my friends? The AMP price is pumps up, and definitely it's not a short pump. It's really good pump, my friends. Especially you can see here in last 3 days 3.22% the AMP price has increased. So absolutely that's really great news for all of you, my friend. They will pumps up. After a short dump, every coin will pumps up. So therefore I'm really impressed, my friends, to see this now. To after a short dump they will pumps up. And remember, my brothers, to in upcoming days there is 100% chances, my friends, to AMP price will more pumps up. But for that you will need to hold. A lot of holders are doing very huge mistake. To their stop selling, my friends, to their stop investing and they're starting selling. Definitely it's a really huge mistake, because in those days if you starting selling, remember you are very badly lost. You cannot get a profit. You are never lost, but you cannot get a profit. So therefore if you want to get a profit and very good profit, now you will need, my friends, to hold down and wait for the end of month. I hope today will give you a very big profit. So see you next time, AMP coin holder. Please like video. My prediction is 100% going positive, because everybody knows this, my friends, too. After a fails, every coin will pump up, and therefore I am 100% sure, my friends, too. After a fails, every coin will completely go to the moon. So therefore I hope in upcoming days they will be going to the moon. So see you next time, AMP coin holders. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz. Take care.